Hey guys, and today I'm working on the 2007 Audi D3, and this will cover you from all models from 2004 to 2010, and we're replacing a door locking module which has stopped on the unlocking function, leaving the passenger door having to be opened from the inside every time. Do you have this issue where you unlock your car and the door handle doesn't do anything? That is a problem. So today we are replacing the door lock and unlocking actuator part, because currently I have to do this to open my passenger door, and the other symptom you'll have is when you have opened the passenger door, it will then open and shut fine. So it's not a door lock issue or a handle issue, it is just the unlocking motor of the two that sit in the motor for the door. So let's get it open and let's get it sorted out. So first get a flathead into the trim here and pull outwards. It then pulls away from here and leaves this. Then you've got an 8mm bolt here. So once that's loose, you can pull away at the door trim, pull the door trim off, and you just undo the cable here and this plug here, which goes into there. The T30 to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull out these bungs here and here and drop the window down until you can see these window holders here. So unclip the speaker, loosen up and unclip this wiring harness through here. Take it all out of the bottom of here. This is all loose. And you'll see this runs between here and here. Now, once that's all loose, make sure all of your bolts are obviously loose and your bolts on the windows. And then this should awkwardly come out. Lift the window back up and tape it into position, so I've slotted it up. As you can see, on the window there are 2 mounting holes to mount it back in alignment with the actuator, which I'm sure will be a right fiddle. Troubled unit, so we're going to unbolt it on this side here. These two with a multi-spline. Push this back, and then you pull this round and out to relieve that. And then, as you can see, we've got left holding it in now. What left holding it in now is the plug and the actual door handle exit cable for the inside. So to remove this, you're going to pull this, twist this here, like so. So here's the bad mechanism, and what we're going to do is unassemble the mechanism and fit a replacement mechanism here. So this here, as you can see, twists. Well, it should twist, but it doesn't want to twist actually for some reason. It's meant to twist and come on. There we go. So, that twists off, and you can pull this out. Well, I say you can pull it out. It's going to need a little bit of force, I think, to get it out. Well, not a little bit of force, it looks like quite a bit. It's bloody stubborn, that. There you go. That is stubborn. Then all you do here to get this out of here is you get it at an angle, so you can then just twist it out basically like that. So reassembling the new unit, I'm going to get this in here first. It doesn't appear to actually want to fit in the gap, which is not ideal. Oh, it does. There we go. Twist it in, look, that's now in. And then we want to bring this into here. And I'll tell you what, this has gone in a dream so far compared to the other one, although this is going to be a bloody problem. There we are, let's see. So that is the release for the inside door handle. That's now in place. This is now in place. We're going to twist this back into place like so. So that is now in. And then what we're going to do is plug the plug back in, then attach the other door handle attachment for the outside. So what I've chosen to do, now this is ready, is install this back in place. So I'm going to tighten this up back in place. I'm going to fit the inside latch, the plug is already in, and then that should be good to go. To get this back inside here, so remember the back door cable here for the door handle, and this one needs to be connected for the inside door handle. The plug needs to be in, and the 2 bolts at the back need to be in. So I've got the metal panel back in, pulled this through here, and I've made sure I've got a few, 1, 2 and 3 just in to hold the door in place. I've then pulled the window back down to align it back in the holders, and then I'm going to test the window opens and closes before I put all the bolts back on and clip everything back in and put the door card on. I'm just doing a test, so if you hear it, ready? If you hear this door, ready? Lock, unlock. Amazing stuff. So it's just getting all back together now. We are all fixed. All that's left now is to do my driver's rear.